So hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. We are going to go through what happened today on gold. I traded and I posted that on my X Lucid Plug. That should be my X. The same handle that I am using here on YouTube. So don't confuse it. Don't confuse it. Just go out there and check what I'm doing. Um, this is beautiful. I understand that you might be um you might be frustrated by what gold is doing, but I am actually seeing what that shit is doing, and I'm with it. And you can come here and spend time with me, and we can all understand what it's doing. Um, I have not yet started to go live because I have some some complications with finding resources, but I will start going live immediately I am settled so that we can be trading together. Um, well, as you can see, this was the correction on Friday, and it was quite crazy. It was very crazy. This one here, and it was after price made this rally here, and this correction is crazy because you don't see nothing like this on any other instrument. You don't see nothing like this. Silver also did the same thing, but gold did it in a crazy way. I'm also seeing Bitcoin doing the same thing, and that's crazy. Um, I just want to tell you that what you're seeing right here, this is fear. This is the fear that the government is and all those stupid organizations that think they are better than everybody else and they want to take all the money from everybody. These are the fear that this is the fear that they are selling, and you are buying that fear at a very cheap rate. You can see that. You can see you are selling. They are selling the fear here, and you're buying it. And that's sad because while while the world is while the world is going insane, they are profiting, and while they are selling you stupid lies, you are buying them, and that's stupid. That's very stupid. I personally don't care about um how the news come out, but I just want to know when are the news coming out. You understand that? So I want to understand when the news are gonna come out because I want to at least estimate at what time am I gonna get some volatility because I love volatility, and that's what makes me profitable. That is what will make me profitable. That is what will make me great. I love chaos. I have dealt with chaos for a very long time and I love them. Right now, I don't give a fuck about chaos. I love chaos. In the markets, you're gonna find chaos. So we're gonna just go back to the 1 hour time frame. You can see. I wanna quickly pull up my the secret motherfuckers that I use to understand what price is doing, and it's gonna be kind of, I don't know. It's gonna be kind of dirty, but you are going. It's dirty because I wanna help you do that, and I also wanna help myself do that because before I like become a guru. So before I become somebody who just comes to the market and just sees the candlesticks and just, I'm gonna understand what it's doing, blah blah blah, and then I'm gonna get into a trade without even doing nothing on the chart. But first, we're going to use them. We're going to use them. Trust me. So what you're seeing here is a lot of PD arrays. What do I mean by PD arrays? Those are premium discount arrays. If price is here and is printing here, all of these are premium premium arrays. And when price is printing right here, anything below it is a discount array. So all of these here are PD arrays, and these are what this is my compass. This is my compass when I come to the chart. This sell right here, I saw it happen. I traded it. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you. I mean, I need to show you. I think it's there. It's you will see it in the lower time frame. Yep. Just. Oh my god. So where we printed, where we first printed today, price closed here on Friday, and we opened here. So you can see that. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in a bit so that you understand this. I'm also talking to you, bro. So I'm doing this for you, bro. All right. So this is where price closed at Friday, and this is where it opened. If you can see it here, I put the new week opening gap and the new week opening gap here. All of the other opening gaps you're seeing here are previously recorded, either last month or I don't know. I just keep them here. I don't put them out, bro. These are these are very important. So also you can see that I'm pointing out this minor buy side liquidity, also this buy side liquidity, and also this buy side liquidity. You might not see this as a buy side liquidity, but I see it on the lower time frame. Um, Remember when I come to the chart, those that is the first thing I want to know about the liquidity that is in the charts. You understand? So I come to the chart at 7. I want to know what price will do to 12. That's my trading time. That's my trading hour. So if you are here and you wanna know how to trade, so you are going to mark 7 to 12 a.m. New York session. My time is in New York session, -5 UTC. And when you mark out that time, you wanna see the kind of what kind of liquidity do you have on top of your PD arrays. So all these PD arrays, I am gonna go through them slowly. When you are comfortable with me, this is sell side liquidity, and this is minor buy side liquidity, and this one here. You can see this is what we use today. What we use today was liquidity, tied with this imbalance. You can see this was a this was a 1 hour BC. It's gonna be used as an IFVG, as an inversion fair value gap. You can also see prices also behaving at a new day opening gap here, and that's quite good. That's really good. And what other PD arrays we used was this new day opening gap. We're gonna see that on the lower time frame, and you can see the 1 hour CB here. I just pointed it out, and I say it's going to be used as an IFVG because I saw this price come from here to here. I just knew that we are probably gonna go bullish and later wipe out this, or if we go bearish, we're gonna come for this liquidity. I remember I don't I use I wanna treat the market in probabilities. That's what you wanna do. We're going I think I've gone through all these drawings, all this stuff you're seeing here, all these annotations, and I want to go lower to the 15 time frame. Remember, we always have to start on the higher time frame. We always have to do that because if you don't do that, you are probably gambling. So you can see that this liquidity is very visible on the 15-minute time frame. This minor buy side liquidity, and this is the 1 hour IFVG that we pointed out. If you just observe closely, this one here, price rallies up from London session. You can see this is London session. This was the delivery in London session. Price quickly rallies up and just slightly touches the lower of that 1 hour IFVG, and starts delivering lower. So what I I use here is this minor buy side liquidity. I knew these motherfuckers were gonna be converted into cash. They're not obviously they're not gonna be given an advantage to make money. People who sold here are not gonna be given an advantage to make money. And people who are buying here are not gonna be given an advantage to make money. Once you understand that, you're going to understand that price is coming and sweeping this minor buy side liquidity, that's converting it into cash. These motherfuckers, these stop losses are converted into cash. And what benefits? The brokers benefit. The prop firms benefit. Anybody who's trading those supply and demand motherfuckers, they are fucked up. And who benefits? And guess who loses? You lose. You a loser, motherfucker. You are a loser, motherfucker. I love that. Oh my god. I love telling you you're a loser. You don't want to see, you don't want to hear the truth. You don't want to hear. I'm sure you're gonna come back to this video, and you want to know, oh, what is guy doing? Why is he getting all this kind of money? Man, how's he making all this money? He was just gambling, bro. I'm not gambling, bro. I'm managing a business. You ain't seeing that. You don't see that. You are king blind. You a pussy hole, bro. Fuck you. You must want to see what I'm doing, and then you can judge that later. You judging me and you not seeing what I'm doing, bro. Come on, stop doing that. Stop. That sucks. Fuck. Um, definitely this is another block. This one here. These two kind of sticks are. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm sorry. This is another block. What do I say? When price is delivering lower, what we want to look for is um the up close candles that are gonna behave as an order block. Why? Because they changed the state of delivery. The last up close candles, there's two, but you can also use these as an order block. But I have pointed it out on the 5 minute time frame, so you're gonna see that later. What do I do when I come to the 5 minute time frame? I point out the visible PD arrays, but in this case, I'm not gonna point out because it's gonna make the charts dirty, but I'm going to help you with that. You can see this one here. You can see this minus sell side liquidity. You can see this liquidity pool here. There's a lot of people buying here. A lot of and the market won't give you a chance. So it needs to come for this. And why do I say that? Because this is liquidity. This is liquidity. I'm seeing this, all of this shit. So price comes for it eventually during the New York AM session. So you can see how price delivered here, making these imbalances and delivering lower. We go quickly to the 5 minute time frame. This is where the juice is. This is where the juice is. This is where it gets sweeter. This is where it gets sweeter. This is where it gets sweeter. This is on auto block here. I'm gonna quickly go through that. And they're telling me time is going, bro. Here, you see this auto block here? The wicks can do the damage. The wicks are allowed to do the damage. But you see here, you see how the bodies are not closing up above the mean threshold of this auto block. That's beautiful. That's you want to see that. You see how price quickly reacts when it gets to here. I saw that coming. You didn't see that coming. I saw that coming. Let me quickly. I know where the problem is. I know where the problem is. Yep. Oh my god, it's there, there, right there. You can see what I did here. This was my break even. It was stuck. It was stuck. This kind of sticks. Of course, price misbehaves. Of course, price misbehaves. But you can see how I sometimes this when I wanna get out, it loads and it just don't give me a chance, bro. I wanted this was my target here, but I just got me. I just got out here. You can see here. This this was my strike. Wasn't it perfect? Wasn't it perfect? It was perfect, bro. People are going buys in here, and I'm saying, "Are you crazy? You wanna lose your account? You wanna lose your account? You wanna lose your account?" See what I'm doing, bro. See what I'm doing, bro. See what I'm doing. I'm that motherfucker. I'm that motherfucker. See what I'm doing, bro. I don't even. I don't even. I don't even know how I'm doing this shit, bro. I don't even know. He don't know. So this is another block you see here. How price just uses that. The wicks are allowed to do the damage. You can see that there's a small, very small BC here. If you don't got good eyes, you won't see that here. You can see how price is using that, and immediately starts to deliver lower. I can see that. I can see this in the market. This here, this 1 hour BC, and I'm gonna know. Fuck this shit. We're going down, bro. We're going down. This is like building. This is a double trouble. I call it double trouble, bro. Yeah, it's just hammering on top of my PDA race, and it's giving me confidence. Just telling me just go lower, just go get in. I get in here, and you see, I don't really target much. I target liquidities. I learned that here. This was my liquidity. I also targeted here. This was my liquidity here. Got out at break even, and that's what I'm still learning. Entries. I'm still working on entries, but I'm going good with them. I'm going good. I'm really going good with them. See sell side liquidity. Do you see how price comes for this? Do you see this? This is perfect, bro. This is perfect. And stick around, and I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna tell you the truth, bros. Thanks for listening to me, bros. Thanks so much for listening to me. Thanks for giving me that time. You can see that price delivery. It's beautiful, very beautiful. This was the pre-market session up to 9:30, and then we have the silver bullet. We have the silver what? We have the silver bullet here. We have the silver bullet. We have the silver bullet. We have the motherfucking silver bullet. You see that? Do you see that? That's masterpiece. You can do that with you. People here are going buys. I want to see these motherfuckers get out. I want to see these motherfuckers get out. And eventually these motherfuckers get out. I didn't really come wait for this because it was kind of hard for price to deliver all that. But this is what I always say: always take some profits, and maybe you can target um further, but always have a plan. Risk small, always risk small. I say 0.5 of your account, bro. 0.5% of your, don't even 1%. Don't do 1%, and you gonna be good. Trust me. Slowly, we gonna be good. I'm gonna be doing this shit here every single day, and we gonna be good. Just stick around. Just be here. Thanks for listening to me, bro. Um, thank you so much. Just have a good time. We're gonna see each other tomorrow.